Hello, welcome back to Deconstructing with Dawn. I cannot believe it. We are almost to 750 subscribers. We are 10 away from 750, in fact, and I am shocked. It took me one whole year to get from zero, whatever, to 500. From December 2016 to December 2017, that's how long it took to get 500. So that I got to 750 this quickly is just shocking to me, and that even one person cares about anything I have to say is equally shocking. So thank each and every one of you. I cannot express my gratitude enough that anybody cares about anything that I have to say. Not that I'm like, self-deprecating. What I mean is that anybody shares in anything that I'm going through or has any interest that anything that I'm going through. It is amazing to me, and all the support I've received is uplifts me, and I can't thank you enough. I really can't. I know a lot of you tune in for the ancestry saga that I'm continually going through, and that's what I spend my day on. Like 10 times a day I'm checking Ancestry or all my other sites that I'm involved in. I'm helping people connect with their family. I'm trying to find my own family, and all that is just a downer. I mean, it sucks. There is very little happiness involved in that, and even in the ones where I've connected adoptees with family, it's not cool. Like, it's not cool. It's sad. It just sucks. So this is my cherry on top. This is my dessert, if you will. I've been putting makeup on since I was 12 years old. I love makeup. I love sharing this stuff with you guys. And why I started this is so I could look back and remember certain things. So this is like, time stamping a point in my life. And I thank you guys for watching that. To me it was important to do so I can remember, but it is just phenomenal to me that you even care. So thank each and every one of you. Now, I know, like I said, a lot of you tune in for the Ancestry thing, and I'm going to be having an Ancestry giveaway. I'll talk about that in a little bit. But the first thing is first, I already did a makeup giveaway that was for cool tones, if you will, in December. So this is my 750 subscriber giveaway. It's face mask. I have 7 face masks. 7 is my lucky number. So 7 face masks and some bath bombs. I have 3 giveaways planned thereafter, and I'll talk about that in a minute. So first things first, these are the face masks. Some of these I've got in subscription boxes, and I knew I would not be trying them because A, I have lupus and extremely sensitive skin, and B, like a couple of these I wouldn't try anyway. So here's one I actually bought though. Here's Earth Therapeutics Brightening Black Pearl Mask. This illuminates, tones, and lightens. These are all sheet masks for your face, and I've seen a lot of black pearl masks, so I'm not sure what the big deal about these is, but hopefully you guys enjoy that. Okay, this is what I know I got in subscription box because it didn't matter if I had lupus or not. I was not going to try this. This is Super Aqua Cell Renew Snail Hydro Gel Mask. It literally has 5% snail slime extract. So didn't matter. I was not going to try this, but you can, and let me know how it goes, okay? Here's one, a Mask Bar Soothing Sheet Mask. It calms, softens, and nourishes. This is another one. I cannot stand citrus smell. Spa Life Nourishing Natural Extract, Paraben, and Sulfate-Free Orange Facial Mask. It's pretty. I bet it smells nice to people that like that. Okay, this is one. Donkey Milk Sleeping Mask. It nourishes and moisturizes. So a lot of these nourish and moisturize. But donkey milk. I don't know why I thought donkeys didn't have milk. Duh. Obviously, what do they feed their babies? Duh. But I don't know why you put it on your face. But again, you let me know how that goes. It's a sleeping mask. It's by Sue A.E. But I don't know. Sleeping masks confuse me because I sleep like an alligator. I do the gator roll all night long. This would never stay on my face. So, like, I guess if you sleep still like a princess, that maybe it'll stay on your face. But I don't know. It says to sleep with it, so that just amazes me. And then you rub it in. Whatever. So that is that. We have another Mask Bar Wrinkle Reducing Sheet Mask, which, whoops, what does it do? It moisturizing, age-defying, and softening. Again, moisturizing, which is kind of good for right now because everybody has their face dried out from the winter. And here's another one by Sue, a Nature Collagen Essence Mask with vitamins, pure brightening mask. This one's a brightening mask. So those are the masks. There's 7 of them. That's that. Then we have a Teeny Me Lavender Lullaby Bath Bomb. And then we have 2 bath bombs, Coconut and Papaya by Nubian somebody. I can't read that tiny little word right there. Nubian something. But these are coconut and papaya. I bet that'll smell lovely. And then I wanted to send bath bomb kind of stuff, but then my daughter reminded me that you probably can't mail the stuff that bath bombs are made out of because they could be caustic. Like explosive maybe. So I got you guys bath bomb molds, which there's 45 millimeter, 55 millimeter, and 65 millimeter. You can make your own molds, but I did not get the powder stuff because apparently I guess you can't mail it. Like when it's in this form you can, but when it's in a loose form you can't. However, I did see it at Michael's. It is available. I'm sure Hobby Lobby and all those kind of places. Oil of essence, whatever you decide that you want to put in there. There you go. So that is the giveaway: bath bombs and masks. The next giveaway, it will be at 1,000, and it will be another makeup giveaway. The first one was cool tones. This is more of a warm tone. So that will be at the 1,000. At the 1,500, I have a makeup brush set to give away. I really was impressed with the Party Queen makeup brush set, so I got another one to give you guys. And then at the 2,000, this comes back to the Ancestry followers that I wanted to give back to you guys, that so many of you have shared your stories with me, and I know it's somewhat expensive. These tests can run about $100 or higher, $160 some for certain places. So I'm going to give away at 2,000 an Ancestry DNA kit. But at this particular point, this is a $750, and we'll move on to that later on. So hang with me, okay? The rules for this are I'm going to do the giveaway on February 14th, Valentine's Day. So in the comments, just put who is your Valentine this year. Your significant other, your kid, your mom, your dad, your dog, your cat, your hamster, whatever. Who is your Valentine this year? And then I'll pick from there. Not it doesn't matter who your Valentine is. It's just to enter so I have a comment so I can write down the people's names. Not the Valentine's name, but your name. And then a way to get an extra entry is to give to have a friend like and subscribe my channel and let me know in the comments that you referred, Susie Loves Makeup. And then I have to, confirm that she is a follower, he is a follower, and they can also enter. So you can get, number one, you get an entry for yourself, and then you get a bonus entry for referring somebody. And then that person can also do the same thing and get their own entry. So that is that. Thank you all so much for watching my yammering videos. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I cannot wait to get this to you. Thank you very much.